Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix autopilot.dll space WIL error was reported, let's look at the following solutions. So the first solution would be is to disable the account sign in assistant service. We do that by looking for services in the search bar, clicking on it, and we look for Microsoft account sign in assistant. There it is, Microsoft account sign in assistant. You double click on it and you select disabled instead of manual. And if you want to stop it immediately, you can stop it. Otherwise, in a few minutes, it will stop by itself. And click apply. If that doesn't work, another solution that can solve the problem is just don't overclock your system. There's a lot of resources that are put on your CPU, on your system when you overclock. So just return your clocking speed to the normal default speed of the system. The third solution would be is to check for a Windows update. So how you can do that is you right click on the start bar, go to settings, Windows update, and check for updates. And the fourth and final solution would be to run the SFC scan. Now we can run that by running command prompt as an administrator, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we type in the command sfc space slash scan now, SCANNOW, and press enter. This should solve this type of error. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your day.